Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I need a new cat. My cat bit me and I need a new cat. Any ideas? Comment down below. This is just water from a bottle in the kitchen. It's not Burger King water. Make this video now in about 10 years. I'll regret this video. You know? That was empty. Actually, this is sink water, actually. It was empty and then I had water in another mug. I dumped it in here because I had to put it back in the sink because we have our sink dripping. So this was just sink water. Put the cup back over there. Bye guys, see you in the next video. I don't know why I always do this. I'm copying other YouTubers. Bye guys, see you in the next video. And